No. I make a video. You're Muslim, huh?
No.
Yeah, you're Muslim?
Money.
No, you're Muslim?
Money.
You are Muslim or not?
Muslim Romana. Okay.
Okay. Can you recite kalama?
Kalama.
Yeah. What is that? Recite kalama.
Money.
Where are you going? Recite kalma. You're Muslim, huh? Why don't you recite kalma? Where are you running? Where are you running, yeah? What happened to you now? Where are you going? Don't call yourself Muslim. You are not Muslims. Okay? Don't call yourself Muslims anymore.
You're still here. How come you dress like a Muslim? I already asked you a question.
What question?
Say the kalima.
Look, brother, I've only become Muslim for a few years. I've only been working for two years.
Where are you from?
I'm from Armenia. I married my husband and I became Muslim. So I
See,
don't
this is your guys' trick. You guys are all over our city. You know, I work for the BCMA. I've seen you guys doing this all the time. See, that's the thing. You don't know what it is and you're saying that you're Muslim. Every man, woman and child, even if they're Muslim for one day in BC, will know. And you should be ashamed of yourself. You dress like a Muslim, but you're not a Muslim. You don't even know the kalima. Even if you know the kalima, you're Muslim for one day, you would know the kalima. You're not a Muslim, you should not do that. You know the kalima? What's the kalima?
I don't know.
You don't know it. So you're faking to be a Muslim, just so you can get some money.
I'm not faking, brother.
Then why are you dressed like a Muslim?
Look, I'm going to go.
Okay. But you don't know the kalima.
No,
And you dress like a Muslim. You know how many Muslims around here dress very much like that and they know their faith? You're not a Muslim, why do you dress like one?
I am a Muslim.
Okay, then what's the kalima?
I say to you, Assalamu alaikum. What do you say to me?
Assalamu alaikum.
No, I say to you, Assalamu alaikum. What do you say back to me?
Alaikum.
Alaikum. You're not even Muslim and you're going around stealing of people?
Me what you doing?
Hey? Why you do this? Are you Muslim?
Yes, brother.
Say kalima. Say kalima.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah Bismillah Astaghfirullah.
This is kalima? This no kalima. You can't even see kalima properly. You don't even know how to reply to Assalamu alaikum. How are you Muslim? Why you do this? Yeah. Your lady, this lady there, I give him salam. She don't even know how salam.
Call the police, then they take them.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
Are you from?
Where are you from? Romania?
Bosnia, brother.
Where are you from? Bucharest?
Bosnia.
Bosnia. You know Bosnia. You know Bosnia.
But
What is Prophet name? What is Prophet name for Islam?
Prophet name?
Yeah.
Muhammad.
Muhammad. Okay, where he, which
Muhammad
country,
what?
where he born? Which country he born?
Where you born?
Yeah. You don't know where he born? Which country? If you're Muslim, you should know where he born.
Where you born? Which one?
Why you ask me? I know. I am Muslim. I ask you question because
I know,
you lie.
Which one? You want to
You
say?
know Muslim?
No, which one you want to say? Which? From where are you from?
Yes, where he from?
Bosnia.
Muhammad. Where is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam? Where he from?
But where you know? Where you from?
I ask you, you stupid. Where he from?
Pakistani.
Brother, do you want to slap now? Shall I slap you or shall I tell my friend to slap you? You taking the mic. I have got fasting. You go. I call the police for you now. I call the police for you. This wrong. You are big man. Look at the meat on you. You go and work. Why you don't go work?
But I don't have it.
You find work. You don't have it. But you're not Muslim. You agree this?